Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce Timetics AI 2.0, the biggest update we have released so far. Over the past months, we have carefully listened to your feedbacks and analyzed how businesses actually use Timetics every day. Based on that, we have rebuilt major parts of the platform from the ground up. The result is faster, more scalable system with smarter scheduling, improved workflows, and powerful new features designed to help you manage bookings and services more efficiently than ever. Let's take a quick look at what's new in Timetics AI. The interface is now cleaner, faster, and easier to navigate. Everything from managing services to handling meetings is smoother and more intuitive. Now let's quickly look at some of the most important features of Timetics AI. First, we have advanced one-to-one meeting. This is an improved version of the meeting system you already know, with better availability control and smarter scheduling. And this is how it would look from the front end, very neat and clean interface. Now, we have a special addition to this one-to-one meeting, and that is consultation types. Here, you can add extra options for your one-to-one meetings. For an example, you can add two different types of consultations, like one with a free consultation and the another one with paid consultation, and your clients will be able to choose anyone that they like from the front end. So this is how it would look, and this again has a very nice and great interface to look at. Okay, now next is one of the biggest addition in Timetics AI version 2, the service-based scheduling. This allows you to create services and allow customers to book those services directly. So if we look on the front end, it's kind of similar to how it looked for the one-to-one meetings. And for the businesses offering additional options, we have introduced extra service management where customers can add extra services during their booking. So on the front end, the entire thing will look something like this. So this is the actual service, and then from here anyone will be able to choose any extra service that they want, or if they don't want, they can remove it or they can just skip it. So this is how it works on the front end. Another powerful feature is the Workspace, which introduced multi-business support. This means you can now manage multiple businesses or brands from a single account. You can just add new workspaces from here and you will get different dashboard for each of your workspaces. Now let's move on to the integration. Timetics AI now supports proper two-way Google Calendar sync to keep your schedule perfectly aligned, Google Meets for automatic meeting links, and Stripe for secure online payments. Not only that, we are also having some important feature upgrades very soon, like custom domain support, AI-powered rescheduling, niche templates, and many more, including PayPal as well. If you want, you can check out our roadmap to see all the upcoming updates, and you will be notified once they are released. Timetics AI has many more features like team scheduling, availability rules, buffer and notice time, recurring appointments, deposit and payments, coupon management, and much more. Also, a lot of new integrations are coming very soon, which include Zoom, Microsoft Teams, PayPal, WhatsApp, Tably, and many more. Timetics AI version 2 is built on your feedback and designed for speed, flexibility, and growth. We're excited for you to explore the new platform and see how it can make your business even better.